Hey guys, so today is the 28th of June, 6:42 a.m. And starting off a little bit later than usual, I think, because, I just couldn't get out of bed, because it's like 5 degrees right now. And, yay to climate change and global warming, because, I do remember that Australia's heat in the summer was like a few degrees higher than last year. So that means that similarly, this year's winters are going to be a bit colder than last year by a few degrees as well. Because I remember last year the coldest days of July, which is like peak of winter, right, was like I think 2 or 3 degrees, and it's already reached that 2 or 3 degree threshold a few days ago. So the middle of June. So that means maybe I'll see snow, but I hope to not see snow because that would really mean something, huh? But seeing the climate in like India and like Western Europe, it's like, okay, yeah, well, it's not going to be, I guess, like a pretty sight, to put it mildly. Well, anyway, so as usual, as the ritual, I am going to spend the next 1 hour or an hour and a half just doing the physics that's due today, because obviously I have no other time to do it, even though I technically have like the whole week to do it. But anyway, and when I come back, I should probably like do some math preparations, because I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, let's begin. Hey guys, so it's now 8:03 p.m. and starting super late, but that's kind of my fault for procrastinating. And also, I was having a little hysterical moment when I was alone in the house, and I kept thinking that someone was hiding underneath my like parents' bed, so I didn't go out. I just stayed here. But anyway, so the pens have arrived. How lovely. And my desk is becoming more and more of a mess, but I guess that's okay for the time being, purely because it's like, oh, it's for studying, but in all honesty, I really should clean up, because that does reflect how I view life, I guess, or how I view situations. But anyway, so yeah, although I do need to wake up pretty early tomorrow, and I should probably sleep at 9, I think I'll see if I can take an hour and a half. That should be enough time to spend the rest of the today doing math, because obviously an hour and a half of math is actually a lot for some occasions, I guess. And and then one final thing. So apparently my Latin trial is on the last day of the trial period. So the 64 days up to the trial is actually an illusion, because it's more like 43 days, I think, or 44 days, which is like, great. My original panic about having 5 weeks to memorize English has officially been set in stone, or 6 weeks actually now, because one, that's not a lot of time, and two, I suck at English, and three, English is the first exam, so I have the bare bone minimum to memorize. Oh god, it's like, actually, it's not that bad. It's like 5,000. That's a lot. Okay. Well, anyway. And yeah, okay. Final thing. I'm gonna do this for my math like tutoring class thing. There's gonna be this holiday program that they're setting up, and apparently for stuff like this time, because it's kind of like a simulation of like the HSC premiere. There's gonna be a lot of people that will be coming to those holiday like practice exams. I think there's like 2 or 3. And my teacher was like, okay, you need to focus on like, you need to like think about getting first. You need to think about like, at least top 10, top 5, about these people. Last year there was like 80 people. Maybe there's like so fewer this year, but anyway. So yeah, treat it like it's your actual trial or your HSC. So for the time being, I'm just gonna pretend to really get in the mood. I'm gonna pretend like that upcoming exam is gonna be the trial. So that's 2 weeks. I guess less than 2 weeks, right? Less than 2 weeks until the trial. So yeah, I've yapped for way too long now. This video is gonna be dragging on, so let's continue. Hey guys, so it's currently 9:30 and yeah, so it took me about an hour and something, I think an hour and a half, or less than that, to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions. Wow, I know, the efficiency is just crazy over here. But so I'm rusty, okay? It took me 3 pages as well. It's lovely, But hey, at least one more booklet done. So yeah. That'll be it for today. Not very productive, I know, but well, I've been saying that for every time, and I do need to change up my schedule starting tomorrow. So there's something on my laptop that I need to pull out, and hopefully it doesn't seep into my keys. It just seeped into my keys. Okay. But yeah, that's great, isn't it? Trials in 6 weeks and homework piling up and everything. At least we got the holidays and next week is the last week. So yeah. But anyway, I shall not drag it more. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'll do more tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. See ya.